As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter, be a brainy buyer.
So I'm looking at these two propane grills, the ChuMaste and the Royal Gourmet. They both seem pretty decent for smaller gatherings, but I'm trying to figure out which one is a better deal.
Yeah, I took a look too. The ChuMaste is definitely bigger, right? It's got a 464.8 square inch cooking area compared to the Royal Gourmet's 319. That's a significant difference if you're grilling for more people.
True, but the Royal Gourmet is cheaper, only $99.99, compared to the ChuMaste at $168.99. Plus, it's got a cover included. That's a nice bonus.
Good point. And the Royal Gourmet is lighter and smaller overall. It seems more portable. Dimensions are 25 dx 16.3 inches, wx 7.9 h versus the ChuMaste's 22.83 dx 27.56 wx 17.32 h. So for camping or tailgating, the Royal Gourmet is probably the better choice.
Okay, portability's a good call. What about the burners? They both have 3, but what about the BTUs?
The ChuMaste boasts 30,000 BTUs, while the Royal Gourmet has 25,500. So the ChuMaste should heat up faster and potentially get hotter.
I see. And the ChuMaste uses flat burners. It claims that makes heating more uniform. What does the Royal Gourmet use?
The Royal Gourmet uses round burners. I guess flat would be more even, though I am not sure that's a big deal.
Right. What about materials? Is one better built than the other?
Both use stainless steel for the burners, but the ChuMaste lists stainless steel as the frame material, while the Royal Gourmet uses alloy steel. The cooking surface on the Royal Gourmet is porcelain enameled steel, and the ChuMaste seems to be stainless steel as well.
Okay, alloy steel might not be as durable as stainless, so that's a point for the ChuMaste. The customer reviews seem to say the ChuMaste has some quality issues, though, so...
Yeah, that's something to consider. The Royal Gourmet has way more reviews and a slightly higher rating, 4.5 versus 4.1. People seem generally happy with its build quality and ease of use.
Okay, I think I'm leaning towards the Royal Gourmet. The price, portability, and good reviews are convincing. Even with a less powerful burner system, it seems like a solid deal, especially for smaller cookouts.
Agreed. Unless you really need the extra cooking space and the slightly higher BTU output, the Royal Gourmet seems like the better value. Plus, the cover is a nice touch.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.